again, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101, everybody, the foundation course. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars. The three pillars of the Forex Course 101, right? Pillar number one is the market. We're trying to learn about the market with these modules on the left. Basic module, beginner module, intermediate module. Strategy is the pillar number two. We are talking about the strategy in the last 5 lessons, 6 lessons, right? And the big one, it's called the trader, right? Talking about the trader more in the advanced course called institutional trader course, everybody. Talking about the trader, you know, oh, I know what I should do, but for one strange reason I'm not doing it. Or, oh, I know why I should not do, but for one strange reason I'm doing. Julius is impatient, right? Julius, Black Friday, Black Friday. Wait, everybody, I'm going to show you a picture, okay? We're not going to spend time talking about Black Friday. This is not the place. Okay, but I'm going to show you a picture so you can take a picture or a photo. Anyway, you can follow us for the latest updates on YouTube channel, youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX. And remember, you're going to graduate from this course, hopefully this year, 2022, when number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Something like this. Okay, AOD cat, something like this. This would be a chart that it's set up and ready for trading. And now you don't need to use everything. Makes sense, everybody? You don't need to use support, resistance, pivot points. You don't need to use market wave. You don't need to use Fibonacci's if you don't want to. But have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have your strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. Yesterday we worked with Shola, today it's Metia. Are you online? Metia, send me an email too. And again, everybody, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing your names correctly. Number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Forex Course 101 is the analyst course, so you should become fairly good analyst. And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The streams are not trading or investment advice. Remember, if your way is not working, why don't you try mine, right? And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. Yeah, everybody, somebody sent me an email yesterday, are you the passion or are you the freedom? So before, I was called Michael the FX Passion, but we changed to FX Freedom, so many of the retail traders can relate to, right? You are after the freedom, right? You are after the money freedom, you are after the time freedom. Okay, now that being said, everybody, take a screenshot of this picture. Whoops. We are not going to waste time, okay? Not fair, this is not the place. But take a screenshot, type in the chat done so we can move forward. And ask me questions, send me questions to my email. Nothing here, this is not the place. Okay, Julius, you are impatient, you are sending me Skype messages every day. Black Friday, when is going to be Black Friday? What is the Black Friday? Can I pay right now, Black Friday? Okay, everybody, take a screenshot of this. Done. Okay, very good. So, out. And this is not that relevant, right? I believe, right? But it's, winners don't take, so plan your budget, We have 3 weeks to go. Black Friday is the week of November 25th. So 3 weeks to go, everybody. Plan your budget and, you know, no excuses. Oh, I don't have money. Plan your budget, save the money. Okay? Okay, Matty, are you here? Now, everybody, this is one of the critical lessons today. Okay? So, we are still talking about strategies. Okay? Professional trader, professional forex trader, emotional understanding. Okay, what is the professional forex trader? Emotional understanding. What do professional forex trader possess that you don't possess yet? Okay, losing trades and the drawdown. Let me check Google, everybody. Drawdown, how it's written. Drawdown, maybe? Drawdown meaning, checking Google, everybody. Drawdown. So losing trades and the drawdown, whoops, typo again, edit label, drawdown. There you go. Thank you, Google. So losing trades and the drawdown are a normal part of the strategy's edge. Hello, Julius. How are you? Julius, you are the boss. I'm a humble servant. You are the boss. Julius, did you take a picture of the Black Friday? Or were you late? Anyway, you can rewatch the recording. Okay, I cannot waste a lot of time in here, everybody. Hello, Mr. Friend. Thank you for yesterday lecture. Thank you for sending me emails. Okay, you are not aware, but some of you are going to be my traders. You know, you are grooming into a FXFreedom trader. We are planning next year to have t-shirts with the logo FXFreedom. You know, time and money freedom. How that sounds, huh? Next year. So, back to class, everybody. Professional forex trader, emotional understanding. Losing trades and the drawdown are a normal part. Okay, are a normal part of the strategy's edge. What is an edge? An edge is a statistically proven fact that your strategy is making more winners than losers. Julius, you are late, right? I can give you 2 seconds to make a picture. Julius, type in the chat 2 seconds. I can show you the picture, but I cannot spend time, okay? This is not the place. And then we're going to help Julius about the Fibonacci. Mattia, are you here, Mattia? Losing trades and the drawdown are a normal part of the strategy's edge, everybody. The drawdown is something that every trading strategy and or methodology is going to have. Mark Douglas concept, everybody, one of the top coaches. The drawdown is something that every trading strategy and or trading methodology is going to have. Okay, Julius, 2 seconds. Take a screenshot photo, and if you have questions about the first package, the second package, or the third package, Ask me questions, but not in here. 1, 2, done. Okay, everybody, the drawdown is something that every trading strategy and or methodology is going to have. Therefore, now today it's an advanced class, everybody. If you are not going to like it, then this means that you are not ready yet to make money. If you are going to have an open mind and try to understand, then yes, you are ready to make money. Fair enough? The drawdown is something that every trading strategy and or methodology is going to have. Therefore, losing trades and drawdowns are to be expected. This is an advanced lesson today. Oh, really? Drawdowns are to be expected? Absolutely yes. It is going to happen, everybody. And today we're going to talk about this. What a professional trader understands, and believe me, this is not technical at all. This is purely psychological. This is the mindset. Professional forex trader emotional understanding, losing trades and the drawdown are normal part of the strategy's edge. Boss, what is a drawdown? Drawdown, everybody, is you making first trade equals to winner, second trade equals to loser, third trade equals to winner, fourth trade equals to loser, fifth trade equals to loser, sixth trade equals to loser, seventh trade equals to loser, and so on and so on and so on. 15th trade equals to winner again. Winner again. Oh my gosh, right? This is an advanced lesson. This lesson today, it's worth downloading once it appears on Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and watch it every day for 90 days. Okay? Because the knowledge that you are going to hear, the information from today, it's emotional. This is emotional understanding, has nothing to do with technicals. Make sense, everybody? And charts. Yes, we're going to talk about strategy in different market behaviors. Professional forex trader emotional understanding, losing trades and the drawdown are a normal, arrow doesn't work, are a normal part of the strategy's edge. What is an edge? An edge is a statistically proven fact that your strategy produces more winners than losers through time. So it's making money. It's a fact. The drawdown is something that every trading strategy and or trading methodology is going to have. Is not might have or maybe or it should. It is going to have. It's a fact. What is a drawdown? A drawdown is when, you know, it doesn't matter, it could be from trade 100 to trade 101, 102, 103. A drawdown is when we incur in a stake of losers. So here, winner, loser, winner, and then it's loser, 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 loser. This is a drawdown. Okay? If you risk 0.5% and if you have a drawdown of 10 losers, how much are you going to lose on the account? What's the number? And then we're going to talk about strategies. Example. If you risk 0.5% per trade and you lose 10 consecutive times, drawdown, how much is your account going to relapse or lose, right? Lose. What's the number? Freedom, I don't like this lesson. Well, welcome to the club, John. I'm not going to say any names, it's privacy. I'm going to call you John. John said, Freedom, I don't like this kind of lessons. Welcome to the club, John. If you don't like this lesson, you are not ready yet to make money. Because drawdowns is something that every strategy is going to have, is going to happen. Therefore, losing trades and drawdowns are to be expected. If you risk 0.5% per trade and you lose 10 consecutive trades, drawdown, how much is your account going to relapse? 5% exactly. Okay? Why are we learning these things today after what is your strategy part 1 to 7? Everybody, once you are testing your strategy, you are trying to collect 100 samples and you have 10 losers in a row, what are you going to do? And it happened to some of you already. It did happen to some of you already. Fair enough? Can you relate to this, everybody? You are fired up, you are building a strategy, now it's the time for you to backtest the strategy and collect 100 samples, but then you have losing trade. And when this phenomena called drawdown happens, which in reality it's nothing special, it's a normal part of trading, it's a part of the edge, what we tend to do as humans, as traders. 90% of traders fail. So what do we do? So I'm going to have 10 losers, right? And I'm going to say, oh, nothing special, let's just continue. Is this how we react? I have loser trade, loser, and I'm thinking, no big deal, let's just continue. Drawdowns are normal. Is this how we react, everybody? Or I start to think, oh, this strategy is not working. My strategy doesn't work. I'm desperate. I believe I should put stochastic in the strategy, or what. There is no right or wrong, whatever may be the case. Or better to put Ichimoku, or better to learn the Fibonacci's or whatever, right? How do we react to the drawdown? If you can understand this talk right now, you are going to be a professional trader. No doubt about it. If you don't understand this talk right now, I'm sorry to tell you, you are not going to go far away. Fair enough? Some of us, we worked in some institutions, we worked in some investment banks, we worked in some hedge funds, where we received a strategy, everybody. Okay? The strategy was given to us from the bank or from the hedge fund. And when, as a junior trader, when we hit a drawdown, loser, what happened then? Do you think that we were thinking, we are going to just trade, it's not a problem, that it's their strategy? Or did we get emotional? And this is why today it's professional forex trader emotional understanding. This is not technical. So, strategy in different market behaviors. Everybody, if you have, why are we learning? This is the next level, makes sense? This is the next step. Okay? When drawdown is going to, so, golden nugget, right? Golden nugget for you today. For the students. Golden nugget. If your strategy is a trend following or trend anything strategy, then you are going to have experience. You are going to experience drawdowns when the market is not trending. If your strategy is a trend following strategy or trend anything, right now different, then you are going to experience drawdowns when the market is not trending. Trend following is 90% of all strategy, I think. I don't know, Dancy, I'm not sure. So everybody, good news, bad news, right? Good news, bad news. If you understand what we are talking right now, okay, and AUD-CAD, let me check AUD-CAD, everybody. AUD-CAD weekly chart, maybe. AUD-CAD weekly chart, okay. What was this? This was the, what was this week? September 4th. Okay, September 4th. We are on AUD-CAD 4-hour chart, September 4th. Whoops. September 4th. August, September, there you go. Okay. And you are shorting the market, everybody. Okay. And here we have a bunch of indicators, alright? And we say, okay, we are shorting the market because of the Fibonacci, we are shorting the market because of whatever. And then we say, okay, I'm going to manage my trade on the 4-hour chart. Okay, and I'm going to get out 30% of the Heikin Ashi, 30% of the EMA cross, and 30% of Heikin Ashi smooth. Okay, and it's a trend trading strategy. Okay, now look what is going to happen. Okay, so as Shola and everybody else, I'm using counter trend line breaks, you know, and give me a second. Come on, there you go. Okay, I'm using counter trend line breaks, and I'm entering here, you know, at the close of this candle here. Okay, let's make it green, and like this, you know. I'm following the market, 1, 2, 3, bam, I have a loser. Agreed, everybody? I entered correctly with my trend trading strategy. Okay, so I have my first trade. This is a loser, right? First trade equals to loser. Agreed, everybody? Okay, Now I'm monitoring the market. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm waiting and I'm waiting and I'm waiting, and the market is going up and up and up, and bam! Finally, I have another entry. Seen here. Here the EMA cross. So this is my entry in here. Second entry. The EMA crossed. Heikin Ashi is blue. Heikin Ashi smooth is red. And I'm monitoring the market. You know, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, almost the market stopped me out, and bam again. Second trade, loser. Agreed? Now, and I'm monitoring the market, everybody, and monitoring the market, and I'm waiting for the, finally the market is going to push down in a new extension, right? And here is my next entry, right? Counter trendline break, Heikin Ashi changed, EMA cross, and down we go. Whoops. You know, up and down, and bam again. You know, maybe it's not a loser per se. You know, I was just managing the trade, so we were stopped out in here, right? So a small profit, and I'm waiting for another entry, and my entry is in here, and the market again changes. We have EMA cross. So trade number 4, trade number 3, trade number 3 equals to small winner, breadcrumbs. In here, trade number 4, it's a loser again. Trade number 4, trade number 4, it's a loser. And then it finally went out of consolidation, right? Started to trend again. So loser, small winner, loser. I have 3 losers and a small winner, but the account is going down. The account is drawdown. It makes sense, everybody? Because this is not talking about risk-reward ratio. I'm not making any money. My account is just going down. I'm losing money right now. Okay, now in here, okay, I made money, but in here, you know, one more time, counter trendline break, candlestick formation, and so on. So I have a counter trendline break in here, the market reversed, it's a loser. Counter trendline break in here, the market reversed, it's a loser. So entry, loser in here. Green is the entry, loser in here. And we are here right now. So if I've been trading trading strategy that has an edge with the Fibonacci, edit label, number 5 is going to be a loser, and clone. Trade number 6, edit label, it's a loser too. Boss, what are you trying to say? I'm trying to say, everybody, that strategies are going to incur drawdowns. Okay, your strategy is going to incur a drawdown. Okay, and it's normal. So if you are using a trending strategy, everybody, and the market gets in consolidation, and you are a good trader, you are following the rules, you are not thinking and guessing, you are just executing the strategy rules, you are collecting samples as a great student, you are not thinking anything, you are just, oh, signal entry, signal entry, signal entry, signal entry, signal entry, signal entry. You are going to have a 6 trades drawdown. So if you would risk 1% per trade, you would be down 6% by now. Agreed, everybody? Type in the chat. Yes, I agree, or yes, or no, I don't agree. This chart, the 4-hour time frame, and those indicators are just an example. It could be a 15-minute chart and another strategy. This is just an example for us to learn that different strategies are going to behave or are going to produce different results in different market behaviors. Let's write this down. Yes, sir. Okay. What is the lesson today? Different strategies are going to produce different results in different market behaviors. Drawdowns are to be expected, and you should not fear drawdowns, nor should you freak out. Yes, but I don't want to hear yes, but. Okay, everybody? There is no yes, but. I've been telling you, making money in the Forex, it's not that difficult, it's nothing special, it's a skill. And how we are making money, it's the same from your grandfathers, from 60 to 80 years ago. We are in 2002, we have indicators and we are trading from our home. We have auto Fibonacci's, alarms, expert advisors. Money is still made in the same way. And this is one. Losing trades and drawdowns are a normal part of a strategy's edge. Period. End of story. Yes, but I don't want to hear that. You need to emotionally accept this. Make sense, everybody? This is not an intellectual lesson, right? It appears, right? Oh, I'm hearing some information. This lesson right now that you are hearing and watching on the YouTube, it's not intellectual, it's emotional. Once you accept that drawdowns are a normal part of the strategy's edge, once you emotionally understand that drawdown is something that every trading methodology is going to have, once you understand that losing trades and drawdowns are to be expected, are normal, then you are ready to become a professional trader. Why? Why? Because if I don't believe, everybody, if I don't believe that my strategy has an edge, even if the strategy was given to me from my boss in an investment bank, from my boss in a prop firm, from my boss in a hedge fund, then I'm not going to perform the job. Make sense? I'm going to be a lousy trader. Does this make sense to you? Loser, 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 small winner, loser, loser. And the boss is telling you, yeah, just follow the strategy, just short the market. Intellectually it's not a problem, you know, but emotionally you are going to start what? Freaking out. And this is why we are suggesting to you, do the tests on a demo account. Don't play around with live account, live money. If you have a 300 euros or $300 or $300 not bitcoins, 300 reais, you know, drachmas, whatever is the name, you know, pesos, you know, and you are incurring a drawdown, you are going to get emotional. Good news, bad news. Good news, it's totally normal to feel those feelings. Bad news, if you don't get your heart straight, not head, the heart, you are not going anywhere. Some of your friends and family are trying to be traders for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, right? 12 years plus. They went through different courses, paid tons of money, 10,000 course from JP Morgan Chase, right? Not 300, 10,000. And they are not going anywhere. How do you know, boss? Well, as always, been there, done that. I'm an old guy. I went through this hell. Make sense, everybody? If your strategy is a trend following or trend anything strategy, then you are going to experience drawdowns when the market is not trending. Different strategies are going to produce different results in different market behaviors. Drawdowns are to be expected as you should not fear drawdowns, nor should you freak out. So if you have a trending, trend following, or trend whatever strategy, just an example, you are going to have losing trades when the market is like this. You are going to have losing trades when the market is like this. And you are going to have losing trades when the market is like this. Does this make sense to you? If you are a day trader, just an example, if you are a day trader, right? And it's 5 p.m., 6 p.m., and the market didn't go anywhere, you are going to close your trade with the loss. If you are a swing trader on the daily chart or the 4-hour chart and you are managing your trades with cancel and replace or indicators, and this market behavior happens, you are going to have losers. Loser, loser, loser. But I'm going to stay out, and you cannot stay out of the market unless it's a rule. Make sense? It's not listen to this, everybody, and if you don't believe me, go check in your country. Those are true stories. Listen to this. In our hedge fund we have 2 traders. One trader was performing the trend trading strategy. We gave him the strategy. He incurred the consolidation and he lost 3 trades. And we said to the trader, congratulations to you, we are giving you a bonus. True story. Don't believe me? Ask some institutions how this works. Another trader was trading the same trend trading strategy, got afraid, he stayed out, and we told him, this is your first warning, John. John, first warning. And John was saying, well, you gave a bonus to Joanne, but Joanne lost money. And I stayed out, I didn't lose. And you are giving me a warning? You guys must be crazy, right? So here is the question for all of you online. Who is crazy, you know? Does this make sense to you? Are we as managers nuts? Are we unjust? This is not fair and unfair. Everybody, feedback, type in the chat. I want to hear from you. We have John, and John got afraid. He lost one trade and then he stopped trading, and he didn't lose anything for the whole week. Joanne, she's a woman, she was getting loser, and we pat her on the back, applaud her, give her congratulations, and we gave her a bonus. And John is saying, you know, you are nuts. You are not fair. Everybody, this lesson today, psychologically and emotionally, it's one of the most difficult ones to understand. Don't let this lesson today, this stream, to be just one lesson. Download it from Dukascopy webinars later when it appears on the webpage, and listen every day for 90 days and study it. What do you mean study it? What is Michael, the FXFreedom, trying to tell you? Dancy, Julius, and Shola, you have two traders. One is going to obey the strategy and he's going to lose. He's going to end the week as a loser. The other trader is going to stay out and he or she is not going to lose anything. How are you going to deal with those two traders as an owner or as a manager? What's the answer? Boss, this is not like this, it's not just black and white. This is exactly like this, and it is black and white. If I have a strategy that has a proven edge, it's a fact. It's a fact. You've done 100, 200, 300, 400 trades, and you are a 70% winner, meaning every 100 trades, your strategy is going to have 70 winners, risk-reward ratio-wise, and 30 losers. It's a fact. When you have a strategy with the edge, and you understand that drawdowns are normal part, and they're going to happen, then this should be black and white to you. Oh, but nobody likes to lose. This is then a different story. Make sense? Nobody likes to lose, it's true. Nobody likes to lose, but this is another story. If I pay you a salary, you are on a payroll. Okay? We are giving you you are an employee. And I'm telling you, just do your job, and here you got scared, and you didn't perform in here, you are going to get fired. Exactly, and this is the reality of this profession. Dance is saying John is not right because he can't predict the future and could miss next big move because he was staying out. Congratulations to you, Dancy. That's it. Everybody, if you can pick Dancy's mindset, Dancy is in a great place to become a professional trader. Exactly, this is the conversation then with the manager. You know, I'm calling Dancy or John, I'm calling John in the office, and I'm telling John, why didn't you perform in here? And John is going to tell me, boss, if I would enter the market in here, or in here, or in here, different market behaviors, with the strategy, I would lose, boss. And I would say, you don't want to hear this. You don't want to hear it. I would say to John, with all my arrogance, John, we are not paying you to think, John. We are paying you to do the job. Some of you don't like this lesson today, you know, I've been there, believe me. Oh, this is a lesson I don't like much, you know. But this is the reality of this profession. You're going to hear me, everybody. Professional traders don't think, they just execute. And this is the reality of this profession. You know, you are lucky enough to get in an investment bank as a trader. You are lucky enough to get in a hedge fund as a trader. You are lucky enough to get into a prop firm as a trader. They are going to give you the strategy. They are paying you not to think, just to trade. Does this make sense? You type in the chat, everybody, yes, it makes sense, or type in the chat, no, it doesn't make sense. No, nobody said, oh, but what about ideas? You can share your ideas in the morning meeting, everybody. Make sense? You can share your ideas in the morning meetings, but when it's the time to trade, when it's the time to perform a job, it's a time to perform a job. Period. End of story. Make sense? Type in the chat, yes, it makes sense, or type in the chat, no, it does not make sense, I don't agree with you, this is all against my principles, I cannot work in an environment like this. Well, if you cannot work in an environment like this, I'm sorry to tell you, it doesn't matter how many courses you are going to do. It doesn't matter what strategy you're going to use. It doesn't matter what technology indicators are going to use. You are not going anywhere. You are going to make your occasional winners, but you are never going to become consistently profitable. Why not? Well, because you are not consistently executing the rules of the strategy. Don't get scared, everybody. This is the starting point of the Advanced Institutional Trader course. This is the starting point. When you come to the advanced course, when you talk about the knowledge of the analyst, it's over, Forex Course 101. When you come to the advanced course, it's all about trading. And this is trading right now. And trading is, you don't want to hear this, most of you are not even going to accept this. Trading, everybody, it's emotional. I don't agree with you. Well, check your numbers. Check your numbers. Dancy says yes. Julius says yes, it makes sense. Shola, it makes sense, losing is part of the game. Okay, everybody? This is not easy. We know this is not easy. This is easy to understand intellectually, but it's not easy to understand emotionally. But in the advanced course, you are going to be part of a community of traders. So we are going to help you. Maybe not me personally every single day because I don't have time, but the other guys and girls who are making money, okay, we are going to help you. That being said, everybody, see you back tomorrow with another lesson. Till tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom.